one of our subscribers saying how to add multi-frame generation for Dying Light the Beast on any GPU. That's the video for you. Let's get started. Today's sponsor is our website Nodix Tech. Every download link in this video are going to be there. How to add the mod? It's so easy. As always, you have to extract the file, then go here, go here, go here, go here. It's so easy. Get dxgi.dll, then go to the game main folder. Make sure to go to Dying Light the Beast, then phft, work, bin, x64, and just paste here. Now, next step is launching your game. Nice. After launching the game, make sure to go to settings, then go to video, and here go down. Make sure to enable frame generation, of course, DLSS, and set this to X4 or X3, wherever you want. If you press this key in your keyboard, this menu will be opened. Here we have to change some settings. You can enable stats bar to see your frames. You can also use dynamic frame generation. I don't prefer to use this. Reflex boost, it's better to set this to on. And don't use screen space ray tracing because the game will crash. Also, you have to enable ghost booster if you notice a lot of ghosting, and don't forget to save. As you can see, it's working. For the ghosting, let's get a weapon. For the ghosting, not that much. As you can see, we can enable also ghost booster. Nice, it's so playable. Let's disable ghost booster. I think it's better to keep it disabled. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.